I've gone and treated myself to a brand new excavator. It's a Takeuchi TB217R, last year's model. They were getting rid of old stock, so I got it for a good price. It's a brilliant little machine. I'm happy with it so far. It's got a tilt bucket, 2 digging buckets and a pick. It's brand new. It's only got 10 hours on the clock, most of which I've done walking it up the 4-wheel drive track, just clearing the water tables and the ditches. It's perfect for that sort of thing. Normally I use the old Hitachi 10 tonner, but it's kind of a waste doing this light work for it because it's pretty worn out now and I want to save it for the heavy stuff. I've been looking for a second-hand one for years just to keep up here at the forest, but they go for ridiculous prices and they get snapped up so quick. Like, you can get one similar size for this with 3,000 hours on it, and it's basically half the price of brand new, so I thought I might as well just get a new one. And then you got this thing's got a 3-year warranty and 3 years or 3,000 hours, so yeah, a bit of peace of mind there. And it's so much nicer to operate than a second-hand old worn-out thing. It's just got a tilt bucket with a ram on the side there, and that does, I think it's 45 degrees both ways. Plugs into the pipe there, so I can put a rock breaker or something on there as well if I want to. And yeah, it's just controlled by this foot pedal here. It's quite fast. I'm not really used to it yet, but I think you can adjust those bolts there to only go down a little bit, and then it slows it down. So that's one job I've got to do. But it seems to reach out further than my Yanmar as well. Like, the boom gets quite flat and you can reach quite a long way out. I quite like the blade as well. It sticks out quite a bit further than my Yanmar. It makes it more stable when you're digging on steeper sections. I quite like that concept. So I'm just doing light work for the first 100 hours till it's running, just clearing the water tables and ditches, and then I've got a few tracks to make around the forest. I'm going to improve the access on the track to the turbine. I've been meaning to do that for years. They're pretty steep and gnarly, and yeah, I've got a few culverts to put in. And so yeah, I'll be using it quite a bit over the next few months. So I'll show you guys the new toy.